Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix voice to text not working on iPhone. There are many iPhone users who use the voice to text feature on the iPhone which transcript the voice into text. They can use it for searching for something online, texting a message, etc. Lately several iPhone users have shared their experiences about an issue where they are unable to use voice to text feature on their iPhones because of the mic option was missing from their keyboard layout. In this video, you will find many great tips for fixing this issue easily on your iPhone. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So the first thing you should go for is restart the iPhone. Restarting the iPhone can sometimes clear all the minor glitches within the iPhone device, and this can instantly fix this issue easily. For this, you just need to go to the settings page, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom, and here you will see the option of shutdown. Tap on it. Slide to power off, and after some time press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo, and you are done. And the next step is update your iPhone. iPhone can cause several problems because you have not installed the recent updates from Apple. For this you just need to go to the settings page, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. If there is any update available, so try updating your iPhone and check whether you are able to use the voice to text feature on your iPhone, and you are done. And the next step is turn on the enable dictation setting. Locate the settings icon and click on it. This launches the settings app on your iPhone, and then click on the general option. Select the keyboard option from the general page menu. Scroll down the keyboards page to the bottom and turn on the enable dictation option by clicking on its toggle button. You may have to click enable dictation on the pop-up window, and you are done. And the next step is check the content and privacy restriction. Go to the settings page on your iPhone first. After you get to the settings app, select the screen time option from the list. Tap on it. Scroll down and then tap on content and privacy restrictions. Here you will see the option of allowed apps. Tap on it. Here you should make sure that the Siri and dictation option is enabled, and you are done. And the next step is disconnect any Bluetooth device from your iPhone. For this, open the settings app first and then click on Bluetooth. Next, select the Bluetooth device you had connected earlier to your iPhone by clicking on its eye symbol on the right side. Now scroll down to the bottom. Make sure to click forget device and then tap on forget device again to confirm. This will erase the Bluetooth device details which will not allow it to connect automatically to your iPhone, and you are done. And the next step is enable the Hey Siri feature on iPhone. You should first of all go to the settings app on your iPhone. Once the settings app appears, scroll down and click on the Siri and search option. Next, click on the listen for Hey Siri toggle switch to enable it, and then tap on enable Siri, and thereby follow all the on-screen instructions to complete the process to enable Hey Siri on your iPhone, and then tap on done, and you are done. And the next step is disable low power mode. For this, launch the settings page on your iPhone and then scroll down and then tap on battery. Here you will see the option of low power mode is turned on. Tap on its toggle button to turn it off, and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings on your iPhone even after trying all the fixes. If you are not able to resolve this issue, then you need to reset all the settings on your iPhone. This will ensure that all the settings are reset to its default values, and the issue would be easily fixed on your iPhone. For this, launch the settings app. Scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset. Here you will see the option of reset all settings on your iPhone. Tap on it. It will require your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset all the settings on your iPhone, and you are done. I hope these solutions will fix your issue, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.